Hello guys and welcome back to our new video. At the end of this video we'll tell you about smart video doorbell motion detection. You are watching Quaint Tech HD and now let's get on to our video. Introducing 360 D819 AI face recognition Wi-Fi smart video doorbell motion detection. Infrared night vision violent demolition alarm.
360 D819 smart video doorbell like your eyes to protect your home security, which built-in 360 AI face recognition technology and motion detection. It can accurately recognize family members, friends and strangers. Very smart to use. The home changes will be pushed to your phone in time when you travel around the world. First feature of this doorbell is built-in 360 AI face recognition allows you to name a person after it appears several times, so as to accurately identify family members, friends and strangers with over 99% accuracy rate. Next is you can leave your eyes at home. With the motion sensor PIR, the video will be pushed to your phone if suspicious people stay in front of your door within 3 meters for over 15 seconds. Keep an eye on your home when you are not there. It also comes with 24 hours secure guard, non-stop surveillance. It also ubiquitous and easy to access. The violent demolition alarm is beeping when the doorbell was illegally disassembled. It can video transmit outdoor unit detected and recorded in real time to see, hear and talk to your visitors at any time from anywhere. More user-friendly for you not to worry when using this device. It comes with 5,000 battery, 6 months standby time, 48 hours cloud storage, 128 GTF card, volume, ringtone free to adjust and no tangled Wi-Fi connection. Easy installation and voice setup. You can install on original chime place or just stick on doorframe by 3M VHV tape. Easy and quick installation and stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Setting it up is fairly easy. Just download app and follow the app instruction and voice prompts. Through downloading the 360 Smart Camera app and it will take you few minutes to properly set UTP 360 video doorbell.
Qihu 360 has become the largest and leading cybersecurity company in China, providing antivirus solutions for both enterprises and individuals since 2015. They also has become one of the industry-leading and technology-driven lot of things products. And here you will see that they really love this device as it was very so useful and powerful when it comes to security and conveniences. If you like this smart doorbell, you may check out in the link below in the description. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more videos.